Relax. Okay, bila awak workout nanti, okay, awak banyak beratkan di mana? Di chest awak. Okay, chest awak kena make sure that not less than 39 meters. Awak berapa? Jadi, okay, dia 38 look big sebab body frame dia kecil. Right? Jadi, kalau macam awak ni, kalau boleh go to 39. Dan lagi satu, he's very lean. Bila dia lean, memang nampak chest dia. Tapi sebenarnya chest awak tak besar. Awak kena pamah sikit. Okay? Dia bukan gini, dia gini. Okay, memang tutup chest. Right? So, lagi satu, bila awak ukur, when you measure, okay, you kena take consideration bukan saja bahagian chest, tetapi bahagian wing. Okay, kalau awak buat wing banyak sangat, okay, wing awak nanti akan besar. Jadi bila awak ukur, chest saya kecil, tapi kenapa boleh saya 40? Alright? Sebab kita sebenarnya kita nak concentrate on the chest, not on the wing. Tapi wing ni penting untuk membuatkan bentuk body awak macam tornado. Ya, tornado. Right? So dia kena V-shape. Okay, tornado. Right? So it's very important. Awak kena buat wing sikit untuk awak tambah chest awak. Okay. And buat dekat dia punya six pack. This one is very important. Okay. Bukan look up maksudnya. Okay. So six pack ni is very important. Okay. Awak kena ada benda ni. Kalau awak tak ada benda ni, susah sikit. Kalau awak ada benda ni, this is extra bonus. Very important bonus. Okay. Right. And then you work out on the bicep and tricep. Bicep and tricep. Tak perlu besar-besar. Okay. As long as ada sedikit bicep, ada sedikit tricep and more to the bicep, you are in. Sebab kebanyakan lelaki dia punya baju dia lebih sleeveless ataupun tanpa baju ataupun baju buka belakang. Okay. Then this is compulsory. So you must have this. Okay. Belakang. This is wing. Okay. Okay. Wing. Okay. Make sure that awak punya sini kecil. Weight awak berapa? 29. You can make it big, not more than 32. Right? Kalau awak punya waist awak besar, right, make it big. So, bila besar, make it small. Better than 32, make it big. Yeah. Kalau awak punya kecil,